showing you how to make your very own headscarves. Headscarves are a really cute and effortless way to add a little something to any outfit, but unfortunately they can be pretty expensive to buy considering they're just a piece of fabric. So I thought I'd have a go at making some of my own, and because they turned out to be really easy to make, I thought I would share how to make them with you as well. Today I'm going to be making my headscarves out of some old pieces from my wardrobe that I no longer wear. This project is actually a great way to recycle some old pieces from your wardrobe into something new, especially if the clothing is a bit beyond repair and not able to be donated to charity shops. Then this is a great way to recycle the fabric and yeah, make something new for your wardrobe. Okay, so for this project you will need your fabric, some woolly nylon thread. This is kind of sometimes hard to get a hold of. It's available online on eBay and places like that, but not all craft shops have this. But if you can pick some up, it will make this whole project look a lot more professional. Some fabric scissors and an overlocker with rolled hem capabilities. So the first step is to cut your fabric into roughly a 95 by 35 centimeter rectangle. Thread your woolly nylon into your overlocker and set your machine up for a rolled hem. All overlockers have different ways of setting up for a rolled hem, so make sure you look at the instructions for your particular machine, but this is how I do mine. I'm using the Janome 800 2DX, and for that particular machine, the way you set up for a rolled hem is to first remove the left hand needle from the machine by using a little screwdriver that comes with the machine. Next, we're going to unthread the left hand overlocking thread out of the machine completely. I'm also, while I'm at it, going to remove the overlocking thread I have set up in the right hand needle as well, because that's where I'm going to be putting my woolly nylon. Next, we have to remove the chaining finger. To do this, we need to turn the knife down by pushing in the silver knob. Then I'm going to push the white knob in and move the pink selector from S to R. Once that's done, I'm going to turn the knife back up and it should just click into place. Then I'm going to thread my woolly nylon into the right needle. One little tip to thread the woolly nylon into the actual needle, which is pretty tricky because the nylon is it's not as crisp, I guess, as normal overlocking thread. So one trick to do that is to just loop the woolly nylon thread and then thread that cut piece of normal overlocking thread through that loop, and then make sure the normal overlocking thread is flush together at that end point, and then thread those two threads into the needle. It's still a bit fiddly, but that makes it so much easier to thread the nylon straight through into that needle. Once the nylon thread is in your machine, we need to change the tension for the rolled hem. So for my machine, I'm going to change the blue thread to a tension of 4, the maroon thread to a tension of 7, and the green to a tension of 5. We also need to change the stitch length of the overlocker as well. To do that, you just turn the knob at the side of the machine, and we're going to turn it all the way to stitch number R. Okay, now that the complicated part to this project is done, we can get started on our rolled hem. It's always good to test on a scrap piece of fabric first, just to make sure that the tension and the stitch settings are all working as they should. Each machine is different, and what could have worked last time you did a rolled hem may not work again the same today, so it's always good just to have a little practice run before you stitch onto your good fabric. So the final step is to just stitch a rolled hem on all sides of your fabric. Easy. I'm really happy with how they've turned out. It's a perfect 5-minute craft project, really. It's so simple to do, and like I said, they're just really cute, aren't they? But there's lots of different ways you can wear your headscarf. One of my favourite ways though is to just tie one onto a little hair tie and then put your hair up for an effortless and cute way to style your hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm hoping to make quite a few more of these in the coming months. So if you're not already, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then you'll know as soon as I upload a new video. And I hope that this video has also inspired you to use your overlocker a bit more and experiment with the different stitch types that your overlocker might have. If you do have a go at this little DIY project for yourself, I would love to see your results. So please tag me on Instagram and use the hashtag Rosery DIY. And yeah, thanks for watching.